Low again has a slight swing feel to the 16th notes. You won't play it unless you play the variation pattern with the dotted 8/16th note figure, or of course if you play fills with 16ths in the song. I'll demo both patterns and some fill ideas at song tempo, since the speed here is pretty mellow. This may be the first time we're discussing sloshy hi-hat as well. That's a technique we use to change the sound of the hi-hat when we're playing on it. You want to slightly raise only the front of your hi-hat foot to create this texture. I prefer the sound of the cymbals hitting each other while they're touching. Some drummers use even less pressure and have a more jangly sound with this, so it's a subjective thing on what sound you like better as well. You can hear 2 levels of sloshy on this song even. I think the chorus sounds louder than the second half of the verse, so listen to the song and try and match the sound as best you can as a starting point. This song has all 8-bar phrases, so it's easy to keep track of. Improvise fills and work on the hi-hat articulation to help recreate the dynamics you hear on this recording. Looking at the arrangement, we hit 4 and the song starts with everybody in on the intro. Next, the verse, 2 8-bar phrases, 1 with the tight hi-hat, then sloshy hi-hat. Next, staying loud and sloshy on the chorus, even a bit louder and sloshier, of course, if you can. Then check out those repeat signs. We're going to go back and repeat the verse and chorus again before we go on to the solo. We stay loud and sloshy hat there, and then the next line we've got another verse, a double chorus, then it ends. Let's check out those beats and some fill ideas for this one next.